We're attracting new riders. That's why dealers want to sign up with us. We will bring a new type of rider into the store.
Hey, I'm NEIDER from Absolute Motosport, and we're a Polaris and UBCO dealer here in Roseburg and Grants Pass, Oregon. We had them come down and demo the product with us in the parking lot. We had everybody in the store ride them, and that pretty much sold it. We saw a lot of opportunities for a new market to add to our existing product for maybe customers that want to expand their hunting, expand their play, expand their vacation, and give them a tool to use for that.
My name's Ethan Ralston with UBCO Bikes. This is something that's new, electric, twist and go, easy to ride. For people that may didn't know how to ride a motorcycle before, we provide an alternative way to ride. We distribute everything out of Eugene, Oregon. We stock a lot of product here. We do all the sales and marketing for the US. One of the important things that we provide is spares and inventory. Product is readily available, easy for dealers to get to, easy for support, which is what Kevin does with the company.
My name is Kevin Rickerson, and I am the technical support and distribution. You'll receive the bike about 90% assembled, but the bike is real simple to uncrate and to assemble and to do your PDI, which is your pre-delivery inspection. Anywhere from when you put the bike together, if you're having problems or questions, to shipping, when it's going to arrive, how it's going to arrive, I'll be able to answer all those questions for you.
A lot of excitement. They look at it, they just wonder what it is. It kind of brings back some memories of some older motorcycles that they may have used to ridden, like a Trail 90 of that sort. They're just amazed that it's electric, that it's two-wheel drive. That really kind of shocks them. It opens up for a lot more questions about the product, so it gets a chance for us to know the customer and maybe bring up some other topics and talk to them about some things so we maybe make a sale. They're very willing to help us. We want to grow together. It's been absolutely amazing because we can get our product either next day or same day, and you can always get them on the phone or by text. They're super easy to get hold of.
I went over to the Sportsman show. I saw the UBCO bikes there, and I thought, wow, these things are awesome looking. It looked like a lot of fun, and I was thinking, boy, this would be a blast. And it looks like my wife might really like one of these, so she could ride one too. And then, so anyways, the next day I told her that you need to go check this out. I just want you to see what it looks like, and I fell in love with it. And I said, okay, if you want to get them, we'll get them.
So many people come up to us in the campgrounds like, what is that? You know, we see you coming and going, but what is it? It doesn't make any noise at all. So that's really a talking piece, that's for sure. You know, it's really hard to describe, but it's the two-wheel drive is really unique in the fact that they're completely maintenance-free. There's no fluids or chains or anything to deal with. So we actually bought a new RV just to put them in. And so that's a really fun part, because now it's like, wow, we put the bikes in there, we put the dogs in there, and there's plenty of room for everybody, but you don't have to worry about the gasoline smell or the exhaust fumes or any of that.
Just tell our friends, you got to go with us. It's just so much different riding.